Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn about compound interest and why it is one of the most powerful tools in finance. Compound interest is earning interest on your money and also on the interest that has already been added. This means your money can grow faster over time. It's often called interest on interest. The compound interest formula is A equals P times 1 plus R divided by N raised to the power of N times T. Here's what the letters mean. A is the final amount you will have. P is the principal, or the money you start with. R is the annual interest rate in decimal form. N is how many times the interest is compounded in a year. T is the number of years you keep your money invested. Let's break it down. The 1 plus R over N part shows how much your money grows each compounding period. The N times T shows the total number of times interest is added. Now let's look at an example. Suppose you invest $1,000 at an interest rate of 5% per year, compounded annually, for 3 years. Using the formula, A equals 1,000 times 1 plus 0.05 to the power of 3. First, add 1 and 0.05. That gives 1.05. Next, raise it to the power of 3. That equals 1.157625. Multiply by 1,000 and you get about $1,157. The extra $157 is your earned interest. Notice how it is slightly more than simple interest, which would have been only $150. What if the interest is compounded more often, like quarterly? Then N becomes 4. A equals 1,000 times 1 plus 0.05 divided by 4 to the power of 4 times 3. Divide 0.05 by 4, which is 0.0125. Add 1, making 1.0125. Raise it to the power of 12. That equals 1.159274. Multiply by 1,000, and the final amount is about $1,159. You can see more frequent compounding gives slightly more money. Over time, the difference becomes bigger. Here are some key tips. Start early. The sooner you start, the more time compounding has to work. Higher interest rates grow your money faster. Compound frequently if possible. Small, regular investments can grow into a large sum over many years. Compound interest is why many financial experts say time in the market is more important than timing the market. Even small investments can grow surprisingly large with time and compounding. So remember, compound interest is a powerful tool. Use it wisely, and your money can grow exponentially. Thank you for watching. If you learned something new, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more finance tips.